You see pictures like strawberry grow towers, vertical farming, saying that it's the future and it's gonna redefine the agricultural landscape. Is it hype? Is it cap? Let's find out together. So what is vertical farming? Simply, it's growing in multiple layers of stuff, whether that's strawberry grow towers, whether that's hydroponics, grow beds on top of apartment complexes or buildings. We're trying to get the most amount of production out of the least amount of space. So the pros of vertical farming are frequently cited as it saves space, we can grow food in food deserts and places where otherwise farms wouldn't be, we can use less water, use less pesticides, and control the environment. So when we think about the cons associated with vertical farming, the biggest one for me that stands out is the infrastructure cost. Whether that be fish tanks, lights, greenhouses, heat, cooling, fans, all of that is extremely expensive to get started. On top of that, we have to factor in the cost of running those systems. When I think about the biggest failures in agricultural design, Larry Ellison spending $500 million to revolutionize agriculture on Hawaii comes to mind first. If he can't do it with $500 million, what's to make us think that we can do it on the cheap and try to save money? This is not the system for that. One of the big failures in vertical farming is the sheer lack of diversity. The plants that do really well are lettuce and the leafy greens, and that doesn't bode well to having a well-rounded diet. Do you really want to eat salad for the rest of forever? The biggest issue with vertical farming is that it separates us from our birthright and living with nature. So how does vertical farming compare with sustainable homesteading? Simply put, sustainable homesteading is living with the land, while vertical farming, you're separate. How good does it feel to walk out into your garden and pick the herbs, pick the tomatoes, pick the lettuce, pick the vegetables that you're gonna pair with that nice, healthy chicken or steak or eggs that you got from your landscape? It's simply the best. It's bonding with your family, having the highest quality produce, and living in the natural system that you created, not separate from it like vertical farming. Vertical farming is very centralized, while sustainable homesteading is very different. So is vertical farming sustainable? The truth is, it's probably a piece of the solution, but it's not the best solution. Don't discount soil, sun, and self-sufficiency. That's what we're about at sustainablehomestead.com, bringing you back to the landscape, whether you have a window box, a backyard garden, or broad agricultural products. We're here to help you. Click the link below and make sure that you never miss a beat. Sign up for our newsletter and check out our free guides that make it cheaper, faster, and more efficient in returning to the landscape. It's about being as productive as we can on the land that we stand, and that starts by clicking the link below. Thanks for watching.